Our elders talk am say person wey sleep dey practice how to die. One of the big iroko tree for Nigeria don fall. The chief of staff to President Muhammadu Buhari, wey im name na Abba Kyari, e don kpai. The person wey break the news to Naija na the presidential tok person for wey im name na Femi Adesina. Na im tweet early this morning on the 18th of this month of April say Oga Abba Kyari kpai yesterday, Friday, being 17th of April. According to Oga Adesina, say Oga Abba test positive for this wicked disease wey dem call coronavirus on the 23rd of March. But on the 29th, Oga Abba himself talk say make dem carry am go Lagos for better treatment and confirmation say im get the virus. Although Oga Abba and government people no tell us which hospital dey for dey treat am. Some people talk say the first cardiology hospital FCC wey dey for Ikoyi say maybe na there they dey treat am. But some people come talk say if na so the matter be, shey government don warn even the health minister wey im name na Osage Enahere warn say any koro matter make dem no carry go private hospital, make dem carry am go government hospital. Na there the people for receive treatment. According to Oga Femi, say Oga Abba Kyari travel to Germany on Monday 7th and he come return back 7 days after. He say maybe na there he take contact this koro matter. He say but anyway, maybe only Oga Abba travel o. He say na him and power minister wey im name na Sale Mama, say na two of them travel enter Germany, go meet the official for Siemens AG on how to make better our power problem for Nigeria. Oga Abba, before im kpai, dem appoint am as chief of staff to President Muhammadu Buhari for 2015. They come reappoint am again as Baba win second time election. According to Oga Femi, say Oga Abba get plenty bukuru for himself as im get masters and BSc degree for University of Warwick as im study law and sociology. They also talk am say Oga Abba himself don work for plenty places like New Nigerian Development Company, New African Holdings, African International Bank, United Bank for Africa, Unilever Nigeria and Mobi. Oga Abba, you don try, but that you no try. Koro, na you no try pass. My people, Oga Femi come talk say abeg because of this great loss wey we lost for Naija, say make all of us dey be careful for this koro matter. Make we follow wetin government talk, make we wash our hand, make we keep social distances. Many people don talk say Abba Kyari, the chief of staff to President Muhammadu Buhari kaput, no be news again. But wetin be news now and wetin dey vex people say for the burial side, the way people take dey join body, na im come worry people pass. Say the way they take join body fit lead to multiplication of other coronaviruses. Say the same people wey say make people lock down, na the same government na then they break the law for social distances. Well, they say the goat wey bend down to look wetin dey for lion leg no go live to tell the story. Anyway, make we leave matters for Matthias. On behalf of all the officials and oga wey dey for Pidgin News Network, we sympathize with Nigeria and other people wey don kpai for this koro matter. This na Pidgin News Network with man on the street. Make una stay safe.